grieve him, and I will heal, but I will not use him anymore, not knowing the truth. And I'm not going to allow you to use him, or the memory, or the whatever it was of him. It's my fault. I'm alone now? No, I'm not. I am not alone. That's where you're wrong. I'm not.